This video will show you how to remove the camera and microphone on a Latitude E6420. Slide the latches over and lift the battery out. Unsnap the LCD bezel. Remove the upper LCD screws. Remove the lower LCD screws. Lift the screen and turn it over. Unplug the LCD cable. Unplug the camera and microphone cable. Loosen the screw. Remove the camera and microphone. Replace the camera and microphone and secure it with the screw. Plug in the camera and microphone cable. Plug in the LCD cable. Replace the bottom LCD screws. Replace the top LCD screws. Snap the LCD bezel onto the display. Place the battery into the laptop. Press the battery down until it locks into place. View the video description below for links to replacement parts. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for choosing Parts People for your video tutorials.